Today's project is going to be putting a Hogworkz engine guard on the 2024 Harley Nightster. It only requires 4 bolts to put it on. 2 of the bolts are up top and 2 of the bolts are underneath this cover. And it looks like you're going to have to modify the side cover here once the guard's in place to clear the side of the tubing. So we're going to take a T30 Torx bit and remove these 2 screws here, and there's 2 on the other side that I've already removed. And pull the plastic cover off. Once the cover's in place, this just kind of slides in. Two bolts go to the frame up top, and 2 bolts go on the side here. I'm using a 5/16 Allen wrench on the top and a 3/16 Allen wrench on the bottom, and the bolts are supplied with the kit. I thought about never seizing them, never seizing. I thought about Loctiting them in place, but I decided against it. And it looks like you got to spring it just a little bit to get them to line up. Get all 4 of them started before you crank anything tight. Okay, that's the bar itself. Now our next step is going to be cutting this cover here to clear the bar. So the next step to this video is going to be when we put this piece on, you can see where the bar right here and right here is making this so it has to, well, it doesn't fit in place. So what I've done is I've marked the bottom just a little bit longer than the bottom of the bar, and the top just a little above the bar. And I'm going to start by cutting out about 1/4 inch of material for the thickness of this plate. So with the side plate, you can see I took quite a chunk out of the side of it to make it clear this engine guard. Just go a little bit at a time. I did somewhere around 6 to 8 cuts to get to the dimension I'm at. And then just bolt the side plate on same way it came off. Make sure you engage the one tab here into there, and put your 2 bolts back on and you're done. And the other side's going to be basically the same as this one. And that's it. Thanks for watching.